How to fix video unavailable on Amazon Prime. Now there is two ways a video is unavailable. One is basically you have a slow internet connection which is causing like the lag for the video to load up. That's one reason. You can fix it easily by connecting to a stable connection. The next is that series or that movie is not available in your country. So some series are only available in a certain part of the world. So if it is available in USA only, it's pretty simple. Just download a VPN, connect to USA, and basically open your Amazon Prime on your mobile like normally you do. And basically the show will be available because your region will be changed once you use a VPN. And Amazon is gonna think you're in USA and allow you to watch that series. Now you can use any VPN you want, paid, free, doesn't matter. It just needs to connect you to a country where that show is available and it's going to be shown. That's how you guys can fix video unavailable on Amazon Prime problem. And also just try to update your Amazon Prime app to the latest version. It should also fix if it's caused by some kind of bug. So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.